Hello guys, this video tutorial will help you in citing and referencing in your thesis and in your research paper. So let's begin with the first slide. So first of all, you should know what is reference. So basically the reference is the use of a source of information in order to ascertain something. Or you can say that it is a complete detail that includes all author names, title of the paper, journal name, volume number, issue number, and page numbers. And if it is from any website or any blog, then it is obviously again the author's name, the title of the published article, and or the blog, and the URL of that particular website or the blog, and the info and the date you access the information. All right, so this is basically a complete detail of that particular citation that you have quoted in your thesis. So what is citation? Basically, a citation is the way that you tell your readers that certain material in your work came from another source. So now let's begin with the examples of citation and referencing to make the things clear. So these are the examples of citation. You can see that with the evolution in mobile technology and internet, watching online videos has become one of the most popular type of media consumptions. After this statement, there is a bracket placed and then Joa et al. 2018, then semicolon, bracket and car, comma 2001 and bracket close and then full stop. Now this statement was actually extracted from the past papers, and that past papers were Joa et al. 2018 and then again semicolon and then bracket and cards. So it means that this statement is actually coded in these two papers of these authors. Again, so this is the one way to cite the statement by quoting the statement and at the end place a bracket and the name of the author with et al. Full stop, comma 2018 and then semicolon and then again the author details and then bracket and then full stop. And the other way is to like this, Scholasser et al. 1999. So now you can see that the statement starts with the name of the author, and here you can see that only the published year is in the bracket only. Author name is not in the bracket. Here author names are also in the bracket. So the statement is like this: Scholars et al. 1999 argue that entertainment and informativeness are the important constructs of internet advertising. In addition, the utility of ads also plays a key role in determining attitude towards advertisement. Later, bracket and car 2001. Now again, see, the statement starts with the name of the author, so you can see that only the publication year is in the bracket. And the one other thing is that and is like this, A and D, and here it is like this. Alright, so when you place a citation at the end of the statement, then you have to use this and symbol, and when you start the name of the start the statement by the name of the authors, then you have to place N like this. Alright, so this is called citation. Now what is basically the references? Whenever you cite anything in your paper, you have to provide the reference of this paper. So this is Joa et al. So here is the reference of Joa. So you can see that Joa, Clary, Kisun Kim and Luisa had 2018. So I can see that there are 3 authors. So this is the detail of the authors of that particular paper. This is what makes people watch online stream video advertisement. This is the title of the topic, title of the paper. Journal of Interactive Advertising, this is the name of the journal. 18 is the volume number, 1 is the issue number, and 1 till 14 is page numbers. Again, you can see that this is the citation, Scholasser et al. 1999. Here is the reference as well. So again, bracket and car 2001 is cited in 2 places, so you can see the reference over here. So this is the main difference. This is called citation, and these are the references in which we have to provide each and every detail of the particular citation. Alright, so now what's the process of citing? So if you have only one author in that particular paper, let's suppose Wajia Aslam, then you have to use the last name of the author, that is Aslam, and then year of publication. Alright, if there are 2 authors, let's suppose Wajia Aslam and Kashif Farhat, then you have to write the last name of the both authors like this, Aslam and Farhat, year of publication. Now again, I would like to tell you that if you are using this citation at the end of the statement, then you have to use this and symbol, and if you are using this citation at the starting of the statement like this, bracket and car, then you have to use this and then you have to just place the bracket, just place the publication year in the bracket. All right, but if you want to place this at the end of the statement, then you have to write like this. Let's suppose Aslam and Farhat, comma 2001. All right. So now this is the example for the two authors. Now if you can see there are 3 or more authors in the paper, then you have to use the first author last name and then use at all like this, et space al full stop comma and then year of publication. Let's suppose if I show you here in this paper, Jo Clary, Kisun Kim and Luisa Hai are you can see there are 3 authors. So what I have mentioned in the statement like this, in the citation like this, Jo et al. Okay, so what is the last name? This is the last name. All right, and if I see bracket and car, I can see only 2 authors, bracket and then car. So bracket and car is the last name of the authors. All right, and again, Schollister et al. 1999. I can see that Schollister, Shavit, and Canfor 1999. There are 3 authors of the paper. Then that's why I have mentioned et al. Over here. I hope this video will help you in making your thesis, obviously, in citing your and referencing in your thesis. Thank you so much.